Here's a step-by-step tutorial to fix no remote access to a CCTV camera due to issues like incorrect port forwarding, dynamic IP change, or firewall ISP blocking. Problem: CCTV camera has no remote access. Step-by-step troubleshooting and check local access first. Before tackling remote access, confirm you can view the camera locally, same network. Use the internal IP address, for example, 192.168. in a browser or DVR/NVR software. If local access fails, fix that first. Network, cabling, power. Identify the camera's ports. Go to DVR/NVR settings, network settings. Take note of HTTP port, for example, 8080, media server port, for example, 8000-37777, RTSP or HTTPS port if used. Set a static IP for DVR/NVR. Avoid IP change on reboot, log into router, DHCP reservation or bind IP to MAC address. Or set static IP directly on DVR, for example 192.168.1150. Ensure subnet gateway matches your network. 4. Fix port forwarding in router. Log into your router, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Go to port forwarding, virtual server. Add new rules. Service name, external port, internal IP, internal port protocol, CCTV_HTTP 8000-8192.168.1.150 TCP CCTV_media 8001-168.1.150 TCP UDP. Avoid using port 80, may conflict. Use custom ports like 8080, 8888. Save settings and reboot router if necessary. 5. Check external IP address. Go to https://whatismypadress.com. Note your WAN IP, for example 123.45.67.89. 6. Test remote access. Try accessing your CCTV from another internet connection, for example mobile data. In browser, HTTP, your WAN IP, HTTP port. Example, http://123.45.67.89. 8087. Set up DDNS, dynamic DNS, to avoid losing access if your IP changes. If your DVR/NVR supports DDNS, go to Network Settings, DDNS tab. Choose a provider, for example DynDNS, no IP or manufacturer-based like HitConnect or Dahua DDNS. Register and enter the hostname, for example micetdv.ddns.net. Use DDNS URL instead of IP for remote access. If not supported, set up DDNS in your router. Most support no IP or DynDNS. Some ISPs block DDNS. Use cloud-based P2P services if your system supports it. 8. Check firewall and ISP restrictions on router or PC. Allow DVR/NVR ports in firewall settings. Temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to test access. On ISP level, some ISPs block ports like 80 or 8080. Solution: use higher port numbers like 8888, 10080 or 65535 or contact ISP to request unblocking or static IP9. Use P2P/cloud access, optional. Modern systems support QR code-based remote access via apps. Install app, for example XMy, HitConnect, IVMS 4500. Enable P2P or cloud in DVR settings. Scan the QR code, view camera remotely. No port forwarding needed. Final checklist: task, status. Static IP set on DVR, check. Correct ports forwarded, check. External IP or DDNS confirmed, check. ISP or firewall not blocking, check. Tested from outside network, check. DDNS or P2P access set, optional, check. Let me know your camera brand or router model if you want brand-specific steps.